Okay, let's first just get the Coinbase app opened up and just hit get started, and then you have to input your real name and also an email address and a password just to set up your account. After that, you do have to verify your email address, so just go through, verify that. It will then go back into the app and say that you're verified. You have to answer some questions about yourself. This is known as KYC, or know your customer information. You have to give them your date of birth, and then they will ask you about your job and how many cryptocurrency trades that you are thinking of doing. Now, is this accurate or not? Well, I guess that's up to you. After you've answered those questions though, as you can see on screen, you'll have to give them a form of ID. Now, in the UK, they ask for your driver's license. So all you have to do is go through and take a picture of that with your phone, upload it to them. After that, they will process your information and send you an email once that is processed and once you're verified. So once you are verified, as you can see here, you can go through and deposit some cash on account to go and trade. Firstly, you'll see any portfolio balances up at the top, and then a watch list of cryptocurrencies, and this will be the biggest cryptos. You can have a look at this though. We're going to get straight into the payment methods. So you go to settings right here. I have a couple of payment methods set up already, and they'll be listed here. If you don't, just come down to add payment method like this, and you've got a few options. I would really recommend that you add PayPal as a payment method. I won't go into adding a credit card here. It's a very simple process of just adding your card. The UK bank account, you can see, this will be different depending on which country you're in, but you can get started. And these are the details that you have to enter into your banking application. Simply go into your banking app and send a small payment. In the UK, I think it's £2. All you have to do is put the recipient's account number and reference number in there. And the most important thing that you have to do is put your unique reference number as a reference to the payment that you make to Coinbase. That very small £2 payment is just to link up your accounts. After that goes through and is accepted, you can then send much larger payments through to Coinbase. Also really important to note is that some UK banks do not allow payments in and out of various cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase. If your bank is one of those, then you may have to go with a different payment provider. Once you have those payment methods set up, we can come over to the prices tab, and this is how you search for cryptocurrencies to go and trade. So we can see right now that the market is up 7% today. And what you want to do on Coinbase is actually go over to tradable. This is all assets right here, and this will just give you an overview of all the different prices of all the different assets that are tradable in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Coinbase doesn't support all of them though. So come over to tradable, and these are the cryptos that you can trade on Coinbase. Let's go to Bitcoin. You can see an overview of the chart over the last day, but you can change this to a month chart if you want, or a 1 week chart. Then you can see the price of Bitcoin valued in US dollars. So it takes 64,000 USD to buy 1 Bitcoin right now. And then the change on the day in percent. As we come down, you'll see how much Bitcoin you have in your wallet. I have none in my wallet right now. Like I said, some details about the crypto. We're gonna go through and trade right here. So we're gonna click trade. Let's come through to buy Bitcoin then. So we're just gonna click buy BTC. And then I'm going to put how much Bitcoin I want to buy valued in my currency. So my currency is pounds, yours may be dollars. Let's say I want to buy £50 worth of Bitcoin. That will show me. What I can do on the right hand side is switch around. That will tell me exactly how many BTC I'm getting for my £50. You can either switch it to a BTC amount or switch it to your fiat currency amount. You can also choose one-time purchase, or you can click to a repeat purchase. So you can choose to purchase this amount maybe every day, every week, and so on. You can come through and preview the buy right here, and it will give you all of the important information about your upcoming trade, including the Coinbase fee. So super important, but that won't be added on. It will be in the fee that you pay, and you'll just be paying the amount that you put in. You can go through and confirm your purchase. Once you do have cryptocurrencies on your account, and you should get an email confirmation once you've gone through, is come through to the portfolio page. The portfolio page shows you all of the cryptos that you have on account and also their value over time. So as you can see, the value of this portfolio has gone up from a low of around 1470 up to around 1712 now. So you can see your portfolio performance over any time frame, and then you can come down and see all of your cryptocurrencies and also fiat currency balances here. So if you have any bank transfers in, you can see all of the different currency accounts and how much you have of each. From this portfolio tab, you can simply go through and click on a cryptocurrency that you have. Just a really quick way to go ahead and trade and do everything in Coinbase is this in the middle. So I'm going to click on this one in the middle. We've gone through buy, but you can also sell. We can go through to sell, and it's exactly the same. It will tell you which currencies that you have on account, so super simple. And then you can click on that currency, and then you can just choose essentially to sell this to a fiat currency. So what you can see is that I can actually just go and put max in here. So that will put obviously the amount of cryptocurrency that I have to sell, and it will tell you how much that is. Deposit to my PayPal account, how much you will receive after the fees, and then you can go through and sell that. So it's really easy. Another great option in Coinbase though is to convert. So we can actually come out, come back to the quick button once more, and then click convert. Now what this will do is actually sell one cryptocurrency to buy another cryptocurrency. So I have some wrapped Bitcoin on account, so I can come and click wrapped Bitcoin, and then you can see I'm actually transferring to Bitcoin right here. This could be any other crypto, so you can click, and anything that's supported on Coinbase you can do. So let's just choose this one, which is Cardano. Again, just enter the amount that you want to convert. So I'm going to put 10 in here. What this will do now is sell this amount of this cryptocurrency, so 10 of wrapped Bitcoin, and then it will use all of the funds to go and swap that right into another crypto, which in this case is Cardano. Another good option in Coinbase is the ability to stake cryptocurrencies and earn passive income. So we're going to come over to settings right here. Then you can come down to your account and you need to go to financial services. Click on financial services. Now at the moment there are 4 cryptocurrencies that support passive income, and in the case of Cosmos and Tezos, you'll be staking that crypto. That means that you use the crypto and put it onto the blockchain and you get some rewards for staking that cryptocurrency. If you want to know more about staking cryptocurrency, I've got videos on that I'll link in the description. If you do want to use Coinbase, then I'd really recommend downloading the Pro app as well. You don't need a separate account. The benefit of using Coinbase Pro is the lower fees. We can actually come over here and click on fees. You can get a 0.5% fee. This is much, much lower than the Coinbase app. So I'd really recommend that you do all of your trading on Coinbase Pro and not on Coinbase, because you are getting a 0.5% flat fee, which is much lower than the Coinbase app itself. The way that you get assets from your Coinbase to your Coinbase Pro account is by depositing them in here. So you can actually go to a deposit and then choose a cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. I have some wrapped Bitcoin on my Coinbase account, so I can search and WBTC is in there. So I can just click on this cryptocurrency, and what you can see is that you can transfer funds from your Coinbase.com account. I can click on Coinbase.com and then you can see I've got this amount of wrapped Bitcoin in there, and I can transfer this to my default portfolio in my Pro account. You can simply enter the amount of wrapped Bitcoin that you want to transfer, just like that, and then you can click off and you can see the fees are 0. There are absolutely no fees whatsoever transferring any cryptocurrency or fiat currency between your Coinbase accounts. To trade on Coinbase Pro, simply come to the Markets tab and search for a market that you want to trade. I'm going to trade some Bitcoin against pound sterling, so click on this one and you'll be able to go through to the trading screen, see the current chart for the currency pair that you're trading. This is the current price of Bitcoin. Now this is valued in pound sterling for me because I have pound sterling on account, and then the change. We can actually come down, see the chart and see what it's doing on the day, or you can change that to actually, let's say a 6-hour chart like this, and we can see the chart of Bitcoin. And then you can come down and just simply click on buy or sell. Let's go and sell some. So you can put a market order in. A market order means that you don't choose the price that you trade at. So we can just actually choose how much we want to sell. So let's put 50% in here. You can see I can trade this amount of BTC. It's going to show me the fee, and then it's going to show me the total that I would get if I sell. You could just go and preview order and then click on sell. That would happen really quickly. You can also put in a limit order right here. A limit order lets you choose the price. So we can see the current price is 46,316. I can choose a price 46,350 because the price is going up. So that means that I will tell the system that if the price of Bitcoin does reach 46,350, please sell my Bitcoin at this price, and then it will trade that for me, and this is how much I would get. Go through and preview that order, and if the price of Bitcoin gets up to the price that I chose, it will go through for me and trade. If you want to sign up for Coinbase, click the link in the description right now to go through straight away and get started trading cryptocurrency. Subscribe for daily helpful crypto content, and I'll see you in the next one.